What are you saying, Rajiv? Police arrested him. What is this? What did he do?
What did Sandeep do?
Why don't you answer? Why are you quiet? What did you do? I'm sure you messed up again with that club, didn't you? What I'm saying is correct or not? Sandy, if you don't answer me, I will give you a tight slap and break your teeth.
Uncle, please, don't get so excited. I mean, actually, Sandeep was giving out pamphlets in front of his old college. That is true. But that is not the reason for his arrest.
Nobody follows the system in our country, Rajiv, so we should avoid such problems. Sandy doesn't understand this simple fact.
Sandy, you are again getting into those activities, aren't you? Don't you have any shame? Your results were not up to the mark because of those activities. Remember, right? And you're doing the same thing again. Samaresh, will you please tell me what do I do with this boy? You can't learn from your big brother, Siddharth? Tell me.
Don't get furious.
But why is he not
furious? First, let us find out what happened. Come here. Rajiv, tell us what happened.
There was a fight. I mean, some boys who think of Sandeep and his friends as enemies started eve-teasing the girls in Sandeep's group. So, Sandeep and his group objected to it. And you know what happened there? The police arrested them instead of catching the actual culprits. Sulata aunt, the problem is the court is closed for the next couple of days. Had we not got him out today, then he would have had to spend 2 days in the police lockup. And thankfully, Siddharth helped. Because one of Siddharth's friends is a high-ranking police officer. And only on his request, he helped us to close the case and release Sandeep.
What would have happened if they could not do anything? What would have happened?
I get even more irritated when I see your crying and drama. You have always stopped me from scolding my own son. This is all your fault.
Hey, Amu. What are you doing? Why are you humiliating Sulata in front of everyone? Sulata, don't cry. Look, nothing has happened to Sandeep. He's back home. His brother has brought him back home.
I don't have anything to say. See, look at them. How many people have you gotten into trouble? See, do you understand?
Uncle, please don't scold him. How long are you going to scold him? He didn't do it purposely. He wanted to do a good deed. And in today's world, how many people stand up to save the dignity of a woman? We should praise Sandeep for this brave act.
Hey! Who asked you to get involved in this conversation? This is our family matter.
Samaresh, Siddharth accepted her as the daughter-in-law of the house a few days ago. So as the daughter-in-law of the family, she has the right to speak about her brother-in-law. No one can stop her. And Amu, I'm also of the opinion that Sandeep has not committed any mistake. But I should ask you, what is the need of getting into these sorts of trouble? Be careful. You know, these are not good times. Anyway, whatever had to happen has happened. Now go to your rooms. Go. My goodness. Bless us, Lord. You really saved us today.
Let's go to the room, Amu. You're getting too overexcited. Come on, let's go. Come.
So can anyone tell me who made my elder grandson do this?
Grandpa, what are you saying? Won't I help Sandy if he's in any trouble? Ridiculous. But yes, please tell Sandy and Shri not to blame me for everything. Whatever I say it for their well-being. Grandpa, I asked him not to go in the morning, but he did not listen to me.
Oh Lord, not again. There he does again. Why is everyone so angry? I agree that someone made a mistake, but he has already got a scolding. What is the point of bringing up that topic again, grandfather? Brother Sandeep, you don't have to listen to anybody anymore. Let's go and eat. Come and eat something. You haven't eaten anything either. Brother Rajiv, you have not eaten anything. Let everyone have something now. Then your angry son can start scolding people again. Let's go.
Yes, this is good. Let's go. Come. Come, Sandeep, come.
You are unnecessarily encouraging this girl. You'll pay for it later.
Tell me, what should I do, grandson? She's the daughter-in-law of our family. Everyone must pamper the daughter-in-law of the house. Why don't you control her? After all, she's your wife.
This is too much.
Grandpa, do you know? Today, it was Shri and Mithai who managed to convince Siddharth.
Oh.
And this is the result. So the credit for today's success goes to those two women.
Shri, Mithai, I don't have the words to thank you. Thankfully, you guys could make Sid do the job otherwise, this son of mine, even a madman knows what's good for him. I don't know when will he understand.
Auntie, why are you talking to him like that? Most people know what is good for them. But how many care about others?
Thank you, Mithai. Thank you, Shri.
It's okay.
Brother Rajiv,
It's okay, it's nothing.
if you guys had not been there, I wouldn't have gathered enough courage to thank Brother Sid.
No, you don't have to thank him. If you go to thank him, he will say, "Nonsense, Sandy. Whatever you did is disgusting. And now you have come here to thank me." What everyone is going to eat? Mithai will quickly prepare it. Brother Rajiv, you will have malai tea, isn't it?
Yes.
If anybody else wants to have a cup of tea, Mithai can prepare it.
Mom, this is Nipa's childhood picture. She still looks... Welcome.
Hey Ratul,
Yes.
your mother-in-law has no idea that you're taking Nipa out for a cup of coffee. You know what, Sushmita? Mom, Dad have no idea about this. They will ask too many questions and Sulata won't be able to hide it. But Sushmita, both your sons owe me a treat. I do a lot for them, don't I?
Very true. Listen, do not spare them. Force them to give you the treat.
Auntie, I don't know about my brother, but I will definitely treat you. Let me take Nipa today, next day.
Oh!
Okay, I'll go and get the car keys.
Oh, Mom, did you see Ratul's excitement? Hey, Nipa,
Did you show the ring to everyone? Look at this, Mom. Ratul has gifted this ring to Nipa.
Do you like it, Nipa?
What sort of a question is this, Sushmita? Why would she not like the ring, which is gifted to her by Ratul?
My sister is blushing. Nanda?
You guys always embarrass Nipa. Mom, should we leave now?
Hey, listen, Ratul, don't be late. Aunt will be waiting here, okay?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Nipa, say goodbye to your mother-in-law.
Auntie, so maybe...
Yes, sure. Go ahead. Travel safe. Sit down, Aparajita. Go, Nanda. Make a cup of tea for mom.
Yes, of course. You all sit down. I'll just get it.
Don't visit us.
There is
Everybody
no
becomes very
formality in
formal and
this.
stressed.
Aparajita, I wanted to ask you a question.
Yes, please.
Now that you are giving Nipa away in marriage, have you explained the meaning of marriage to Nipa? No, actually, I just think she's a bit childish. I hope that marriage is not a game for her.
Sushmita, tell me something. Does anyone understand the meaning of marriage before they get married? Huh? But yes, it is true that not everyone is as mature as Shri.
You are correct. True, Shri is a very good girl. She is so mature at this young age. I have seen how much she protects her sister. And she's the only one who has the courage to support Mithai. She's good in academics as well. I like that girl very much, you know. You know, Parajita, if I had another son, I would have married him to Shri and would have made her the daughter-in-law of this family.
It would have been real fun. But it is not going to happen anymore. Let Nipa get married first. Then we will find a good boy for Shri. By that time, she will complete her graduation. After that, we will have to find somebody for Shri who is very studious.
Will you stop, Nanda? Let Nipa and Ratul get married first. Seriously, Sushmita, there have been too many obstacles.
Wow! Hey, look, Ratul, what Pooja has posted. They are traveling to the Maldives.
Who's Pooja?
She is my digital friend.
You want to go Maldives? So we can go there on our honeymoon.
Why should I go there for my honeymoon? We will go to a place where we can do a lot of shopping. I need to post from big malls, you know, Ratul.
Hi, Nipa.
Hello. Hello, you. Sorry, I mean you.
Ratul, right?
Yes.
Aditya.
Please sit, please.
I know I disturbed you guys by dropping by suddenly, but I won't take much of your time.
No, it's okay.
Look, Ratul, the perfume I gave Nipa was just a gift, okay? While leaving, I noticed that it was an issue between the both of you. It shouldn't have happened.
No, Mr. Agrawal. It's okay, not a problem. It was just a misunderstanding. It was just a personal matter, but it's all good now.
Tell me, Aditya, after Color Festival, why are you not coming online on social media?
Oh, I was off to London for a couple of weeks. I just came back a few days ago. Hey, Ratul, just in case if you come to London, please inform me, okay? We all can have fun together and I will help Nipa with her shopping and everything else. You guys have fun now. Sorry, I wasted your time. Sorry.
Just think. Aditya Agarwal lives in London and does a lot of shopping.
So
what, Ratul? Why couldn't we live such a life?
seriously, Nipa? Like seriously, shopping is your ultimate goal, isn't it? Can't you see anything else except that? We talked about it already. You know what? If someone comes and says that he's going abroad to shop or is going on holiday, if you feel upset on hearing that, then
So what should I do? Tell me. After all, I had so many plans. But nothing happened as I planned.
I know, Nipa. See, we must come to a conclusion now. Tell me, what do you want? Because for me, your happiness and sadness are the most important things. So tell me, do you want me to take the company's offer? If you want, I will go and accept it. But I have only one problem. I can't think of living my life abroad for such a long time. That's the only concern I have, nothing else.
Please, Ratul. Please leave this topic. I'm not feeling good any longer. Auntie is waiting at home. We should go back home. Should we go, please?
Yes, Mr. Ganguly. Yes, the cards are here. Thank you very much. No, this year we are organizing our festival on a grand scale. Yes, you have to come, Mr. Ganguly. Oh, I see. No, it would have been really nice if you could come. Okay, all right. Dad, I have invited all the possible contacts through the phone. The remaining cards will be delivered by the courier guy once he comes.
Shri has taken the responsibility. Shri, is the work progressing?
Oh no, I messed up everything. I can't concentrate if you guys keep talking, Grandpa. I must start again.
Okay, sorry. Okay, give me a couple of bunches. I will... Oh, wait. Let me tally it with the list first. Shri, open the list for once. Let's check the names of the important guests, like the Chaudhary family, Sen family, their names. Listen, all of them are very regular customers of Siddheshwar Modak.
Ratul mentioned that his friend Uday wants to come. We need to invite him as well.
Oh, Dad, Nipa was also talking about one of our friends named Urmi.
Yes, correct.
She'll also come. Listen, don't forget to write her name.
There is one regular customer of our sweets named Nikhil. His wife Shama, she's a singer. We need to invite them as well. Shri.
Yes.
The ceremony is going to be grand this year.
Oh Lord, please let me concentrate. I'm getting confused, Grandpa. Oh yes. There is another person from the Mukherjee family. The name is Dipuman, right? Yes.
Right said. My granddaughter is very intelligent.
Grandpa? What I'm saying is, the people that you have invited, I hope they'll be served mineral water and food packets, because every year the situation becomes really chaotic, you know that.
As you wish, Prince. I will take care about the quality of water since you have mentioned it. But only a packet of sweets will not work this year. My wish is to serve delicious food to everyone. And I will also arrange a special party for the special guests in the evening. I will talk to Rajiv and arrange everything. You don't have to think about it. In this year's packet, we will give sweets, which is our speciality. What do you say, Mithai?
Yes, grandfather, of course. Everyone will be delighted with our sweet.
In that case, Dad, we will require around 10,000 sweets. I mean, we will have customers at the shop as well. There will be people for the puja, meal, and the meeting as well. We have to give a calendar and a packet of sweets to everyone.
This is crazy, Grandpa. Are you sure that you guys can arrange all of these?
Hey, Mithai, can't you do it?
Why not, grandfather? Of course I can do it.
Dad,
Yes.
no matter how genius this girl is, but can she make so many sweets all alone? Hmm? We must ask Rasmai to increase the number of confectioners. Hey, Som. Hey, Siddharth, have you seen Som upstairs?
Shom, you're wanted downstairs.
I'm leaving, Dad. Please speak to Shom. Listen, it is not possible to finish the job without taking help from the Rasmai. We must not lose face in front of so many guests. Shri, I'm taking these with me.
Grandfather, may I say something? I hope you won't mind.
Yeah, say.
Listen, Rasamai will bring his own ingredients and make sweets in their own style. Will those sweets be up to the standard? We are expecting so many guests. Shouldn't we prepare the sweets in the traditional way as we did back in Junai?
Yes, I will speak to Som.
All right.
Grandpa, tell me, what do you want to say?
Som, the packet of sweets we will distribute at the function, they will only contain our sweets this year. But our sweets will be made in the most special way, just as they do in Junai. Do one thing. Inform Rasmai uncle that I will go to the base kitchen today. I will explain everything, Mithai will demonstrate the method and they will work accordingly.
Things will happen as you say, Grandpa. I will tell Uncle Rasmai about this. Shri, I will give the cards to the courier guy if you're done with the process.
Yes. Here, everything is done. You can take them all.
Grandpa, listen to me. I was thinking, what are you all doing? You're asking your old workers to listen to the instructions of this genius. How will they follow?
How will it work if they don't listen to her? Look, though Mithai is younger to them, she has proved that her sweets sell more. In this field, whoever proves to be a better seller is always the best. Mithai had proved her supremacy in each and every way.
Let Grandpa say this to Rasmai uncle directly. I would love to see what happens after that.
I don't think Som is very happy with what you said, Grandpa.